everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. If you only have 2 pieces of 12 by 12, let me show you a fantastic way to use them. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways that you support me and my channel. And I want to thank you so much for the positive ways in which you interact with my channel. I really do appreciate it. Positivity goes a long way. So today we're going to take another 2 pieces of 12 by 12 and we're going to turn them into something beautiful but useful. Y'all, what we're going to make today is truly useful for any season and any reason. And here is what we're going to be making. We are going to make this gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous paper purse from just 2 pieces of 12 by 12. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here is a closer look at today's awesome project. So when finished, our purse is going to be 8 by 3.5 and it will be 2 inches deep. Y'all, this is a really nice size paper purse, very sturdy, and we're only using 2 pieces of 12 by 12 decorative paper to be able to make this. So easy. So whatever beautiful papers you have, go ahead and grab 2 sheets because I know you're going to enjoy making this. So here's all we need to make it. 2 pieces of 12 by 12 and some adhesive. That's all you need. So we're going to go ahead and make the body, and we're going to take one of those 12 by 12 pieces and we're going to reduce it to 9 by 12. Save this because we'll be using it. So then on the 9-inch side, we're going to score at 3.5. Rotate to the opposite 9-inch side and score at 3.5. Turn it to the 12-inch side and let's score at 2. Then the opposite 12-inch side and let's score at 2. And then we need to fold and burnish all of our scores. And so now that you have all of your scores folded and burnished, this is what we're going to be working on now. So we're going to go to the score mark and drag straight down. Go to this score mark and drag straight down because now we've freed the tab, and we are going to angle in here and angle in here. And I think that I'll just go ahead and reduce that a little. Now let's do the same thing over here. I'll go to the score mark and drag straight down and drag straight down, angle, angle, and let's reduce. So now your piece will look like this. We're simply going to put it together at this point, and all we do is we're going to add some adhesive here, and we'll add adhesive to both end tabs on one side only. So I'm going to do mine with my glue. You can use tape. Just make sure it's a good quality tape. But if you think your bag is going to be carrying any weight, I would go ahead and use glue for the whole thing. So I have my glue here. We're just going to take this piece and join it to the tab, and then we'll take this piece, see that glue on my hands, and we're just going to make sure that it matches at the top. Then I'll go in with my long bone folder and we'll get that nice and stuck. We'll do the same thing over here. So I'm going to take my glue, place my glue on this little tab here. I'll take this piece and we'll match it at the bottom so the bottom is nice and even. Then I'll take this piece and we're going to bring it over like this, making sure that the top matches. Go in with my bone folder, get it nice and stuck, and there is our purse body. So then we'll take the second piece of 12 by 12 and let's score at 1 7/8. Rotate it to the opposite 12 and score at 1 7/8. And then I'll turn it once. And we're going to score at 3 5/8, at 5 3/4, at 9 3/8, and at 10 1/4. And just like before, we fold and burnish. So let's just fold and burnish all of our scores. And so on two sides, you're going to have scores from the top to the bottom. And for all of those scores, we want to just make slight angles on both sides of the score marks. And we're doing this because it makes folding over very easy. And we do the same thing on this side. So if you were with me when I made the smaller bags, it's the same process. We're just using different measurements. And I'll have the video linked at the end of this video. So if you want to see the smaller bags, click on the link at the end of this video. So all I'm doing is just freeing these tabs, because trying to fold them over unfreed creates a lot of unnecessary bulk, and y'all, we don't want that. So now I'm just going to take my glue, add some glue to my tabs. I'll just go ahead and do these three at the bottom, get them out of the way. We're going to add some glue and fold these over and get them stuck. And by making those little cuts in the middle, it just makes it easier to fold it like this. So let's go ahead and do these. And now we'll do this side. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glue, place some glue on these pieces, go ahead and get them stuck. And I'm just doing it in sections because it's just easier to manage for me. And then I'll do these two. Let's take those, fold them over, get them stuck. And now this is the shell of our purse. So I can take this and we're going to place it in right here, and then we'll just join it. So I'm just going to take my glue, place my glue on the bottom like this. Then I'll take this piece, we're going to place it inside the score marks of the base. And make sure that you definitely place it inside the score marks and not on the score marks, or you'll have a hard time folding over. So I'm going to go in the inside, get that nice and stuck. Now I'm going to take my glue and I am just going to add some glue. take this piece and let's just lay it down. Go on the inside and get it nice and stuck. And y'all, isn't this one of the simplest ways you've ever seen to make a paper purse? It absolutely is. And then I'm going to add my glue here. We'll take this side, lay it down, go in with that bone folder, get everything nice and stuck. And so there is our sweet purse. I'm going to let this dry for a minute before I do my pinch in, and while it's drying, let's go ahead and make our handle. So to make the handle, I'm going to bring in some of that scrap, and we are going to trim it to 1.5 by 12, and then on the 1.5 inch side we're going to score at 3/4 of an inch. Now let's fold and burnish. And now I'll take my glue, place my glue on the inside, and we'll get that nice and stuck. And then I'll use my big old spatula or bone folder to create a curve in that handle. So now I'll bring this back in and we'll pinch in those sides like this. And how far in you pinch is completely up to you. And because we made the top fold over smaller than the bottom, we're going to have that nice purse look. And so now I'm just going to take 2 Velcro dots and put one here and we'll put one over here. And now we can take it, pinch it in, and close it. And then we can open it. And I'll use my bone folder to make sure my little dots are nice and stuck. And so now we're going to take our handle, and at the bottom I am just going to pinch like that and pinch like that. Then I'm going to take some hot glue, place a little bit of that bubbling hot glue on the bottom, and where you place your handle is completely up to you, but I'm going to place that one right there. Then I'll add my glue to the bottom of this side. Got a little sloppy with my glue there. And I'm going to take this one and just eyeball it. And I think that that is right pretty. And then I'm just going to take this little decorative piece here and put it right there. So I'll add some glue right there. We'll take this piece, put it right there. And y'all, there we have it. How stinking cute and easy was that? We now have a second paper purse that measures 8 by 3.5 by 2. This is truly an all-purpose bag. It is great for gift giving. Imagine getting together with your friends or your family for a Christmas lunch or gift exchange, and you bring your gifts in something like this. Y'all, wow factor galore. So I'm going to bring the first one back in so that you can see just how gorgeous and festive these are. I made them in Christmas colors, but remember, any season, any reason. You don't have to make these for Christmas. They can be made anytime. You have 12 by 12s that are all season papers. Go ahead and pull them out when you need a bag or gift giving idea, and here you go. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's fun way to take just 2 pieces of 12 by 12 decorative paper. So that's all you need. So I hope you really have enjoyed it. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.